Hey guys, it's the 85. I'm back out in the backyard and we're gonna try take 2 of trying out Sasha here. So I'm gonna try 5 rounds, reload, and then try another 5. And let me see, I'm gonna put it there. We'll try it that way. So let's hope it runs smooth. Functioned flawlessly. It's a little bit better than last time, if you remember. That didn't go so well. So that's 10 rounds flawlessly. Clearly I need to work on my reloading, but that's what the summer's for. It's still a little cold out. Yeah, there's some snot. So, all right, thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you again soon. See you later. There is no recoil, and I'm not joking. It's probably got like maybe the same amount as a 22. I'm not kidding. Shannon loves it.
All right.
So we got my cousin here, first shots ever.
Super noob. So flick, safety.
Yep, and then you're good to go. So now you got a round in the chamber. Safety off, yep, good to go.
All right.
Woo! What do you think?
That's nice.
All right, let her rip.
How many we got?
There's 19 in there now.
How many do I shoot?
You shot 1.
Well, can I shoot all 19?
Shoot all 19, man, go nuts. Break it in.
That was good.
You still got some more. There you are.
Voila!
All empty. What do you think?
That's awesome.
Now, is this your first time shooting an AR?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so what are your first impressions? What did you think of it?
When I did the long streak, it was remarkably, like I thought it was just going to go up over the berm.
Yep.
My shot, but it all stayed pretty contained.
So what did you think about recoil? Did you feel any at all, really?
No, not really. I mean, it was really easy to keep it pretty consistent in a tight spot, tight pattern.
Yeah.
So,
all right,
yeah,
cool.
Really good.
Well, hey, thanks for helping me break in my rifle, Paul.
Oh, thank you.
Go see Bob. Go.
Come on, Ammo.
Scaredy cat.
Come on, baby.